after less than 1 year. How many months? Since February, I have these materials already. And it was done. Now only. Taylor. See what happened to my e-bike because it has no cover. See the rust. Yeah, wow. Satisfied with the color. My favorite color. I really use that one, the color red. And it was a leather. It was a leather, so it's really a good quality. Good quality but expensive. All in all, 9 windows so that you will not be suffocate because we use leather. I love red, my favorite color. Looks like a cars. Not an e-bike already, but a cars. Thank you. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. Yan. Kukunin. Hindi, dito ka pa. Yan.
Marami, sa akin ba yan? Sa akin sila. So, mga higit na 1,000. Ha? Higit na 1,000. Mga tigit 1,000? Oo. Bibigyan mo ako ng komisyon. Mga bata? Magulang? Magulang yung may manok? Magulang? Ang matinan? Eh, wala. Wala kang alam din siya. Wala. Oo.
Thank you.